How long does it take to receive BTC on Wealthsimple? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how long it takes to receive BTC on Wealthsimple. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before I get into the main content of this video, I want to take a moment to talk about what Wealthsimple is. Wealthsimple is a Canadian fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including investing, banking, and tax filing. One of the services that Wealthsimple offers is the ability to buy and sell Bitcoin. Now that we know what Wealthsimple is, let's get into the main content of this video. How long does it take to receive BTC on Wealthsimple? The time it takes to receive BTC on Wealthsimple depends on a number of factors, including the type of transaction you are making, the time of day that you are making the transaction, the current state of the Bitcoin network. In general, it takes 1 to 2 business days to receive BTC on Wealthsimple. However, it can take up to 5 business days in some cases. Here is a breakdown of the different types of transactions and how long it takes to receive BTC. Buying BTC. It takes 1 to 2 business days to receive BTC when you buy it on Wealthsimple. Selling BTC. It takes 1 to 2 business days to receive BTC when you sell it on Wealthsimple. Sending BTC. It takes 1 to 2 business days to receive BTC when you send it to another Wealthsimple user. Receiving BTC. It takes 1 to 2 business days to receive BTC when you receive it from another Wealthsimple user. Withdrawing BTC. It takes 1 to 2 business days to receive BTC when you withdraw it from Wealthsimple. In addition to the type of transaction, the time of day that you make the transaction can also affect how long it takes to receive BTC. If you make a transaction during peak hours, it may take longer to receive BTC. Finally, the current state of the Bitcoin network can also affect how long it takes to receive BTC. If the Bitcoin network is congested, it may take longer to receive BTC. Tips for receiving BTC on Wealthsimple faster. There are a few things that you can do to help speed up the process of receiving BTC on Wealthsimple. Make sure that your Wealthsimple account is verified. Make sure that your bank account is linked to your Wealthsimple account. Make sure that you have enough funds in your bank account to cover the cost of the BTC that you are buying. Make sure that you are making the transaction during off-peak hours. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. I would also like to add that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. It is important to do your own research before making any investment decisions. I hope you found this script helpful.